to my channel in another video of Clinical Dentistry Hub. I hope everyone is doing good. So we are back again with another interesting video. I am getting a lot of comments about it, that whether if we are not getting MBBS, that we should do BDS from a government institute or from a private institute. So we are going to talk about whether you should go for the BDS from a government or private institute in this video. Please watch the full video till the end so that you don't miss out any important part of this video. My name is Dr. Shabista Rabi and you are watching Clinical Dentistry Hub. So let's just begin today's video. So many of them, they have asked about that whether they should opt for BDS from a government college or from a private college. So everything has a pros and cons about it. One and the foremost thing, the perk about being studying in a government college is that the fee which you will be paying for the Bachelor of Dental Surgery program will be very less. It will be less. Moreover, the amount of OPD, that is the amount of patient you will be getting chance to treat them, will be very more as compared to that from a private college. The other thing that stands good for a government college is that only these two things have been seen to be the good part of the government BDS institution. And whether if someone is going to opt for a private institute, he or she should be ready that handsome amount of fee structure is there. The private institution, they are charging the fee of about 2 lakh per year to about 8 to 10 lakh per year, depending upon the college you take admission into it. If it's being the deemed university, then the fees will be quite high. But I don't consider it to be that much very point of concern, considering the deemed college fees to be very high. If someone can go and afford the fees, then he or she should go for it. But if it's very hard to afford the fees, you are getting admitted, you are taking loan to study, then I will advise you not to go for the private college, because there are it is not just about the fee structure. There are many things that you have to pay in between there are material charges also, then books you have to buy, material will also, there are certain private institution who are providing materials to the student, but there are certain private institute who does not even provide a single material to the student has to buy his or her own material. So that expenditure is also to be added. It is not included in the fees. It is the student who has to pay for that fees. Whether if you see that the government college, the government college which is offering Bachelor of Dental Surgery program, there you go, there you will see that there are materials you will get, but the advancement in the materials, it's very hard, because then you have to write application, certain tender or notice will be passed about, then you will be able to have that new equipment or the new material, then ultimately you have to get it on your own. So one other thing, if you see the pros and cons you have both into it. And then the other student says that doing it from a government college in the internship, you will be paid much salary as compared to that from a private. So let me tell you that there are many private institute who are paying the internship, in that you get the pay scale, you get paid for doing internship in that private institute, but it is not that much as compared to the BDS. Same if you see that in the government college you will have very much OPD, but let me tell you, there are certain private institute which has very good OPD running around. They are handling good amount of patient, like we have Shubharti Dental College. It has very much high amount of patient there where you can go and study there. But the thing that is to be considered, that fees is very high over there. Considering that point of doing patient over there, you have free hand in the private institute, that you can try each and new thing, whereas in the government institute you are restricted to certain procedures. it will take time to advance the procedures over there. And one thing that I have seen, that in the government institute, people are doing the quantity. We do not need the quantity, we need the quality work to be practiced during all these practice years, so that when we come out, when we are doing our clinic, we are doing in a very good way. So quantity of patient does not matter, the quality, the variety of patient you get to treat matters a lot. So that is the one advantage of private institute. Plus private institute, they are more keen and determined of completing the course on the time, of educating there. The faculties are regular, they will come, they will teach you the way they are teaching, because it's the private institute, it's the institute which has to take. It is not a government college or a government university taking care of it. The other thing is that, but I have seen that many of them, they go for the government college because of thinking about fees only. So it's very good, when you enter into a college, you have to think about your expenditure if you are thinking of fees and getting a government. But I will say that it is not like that you get into a government Bachelor of Dental Surgery program and your dream was to go into MBBS. I'm not saying that you will get a seat, so you will go for BDS. Until and unless you have keen interest into Bachelor of Dental Surgery program, please, I advise you not to step into these fields, because it is not that easy. Here you have to have knowledge and the clinical hand, both of them together, then only you will flourish in this field. One thing I want to tell you, I have seen many students who just pass out from certain institute and they will start saying that our institute is number one institute by the North ranking. So let me tell you, who are they who are doing the ranking? Likewise, there are certain companies, certain institute doing the ranking and giving ranking to someone else college. There are other college getting a ranking. Do we all know that what is the basic criteria based behind ranking the colleges as the number one? So it is not like that. If you have a good institute whose name is not that much, but you have a lot amount of patient running over there, just go for it. फेम के पीछे नहीं, यू डू नॉट हैव टू सी द फेम कि ये कॉलेज अच्छा है, इसका स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा है, इसकी NIRF रैंकिंग हुई है, ये नंबर 1 आया है, तो वी विल गो एंड एंटर इनटू दिस कॉलेज। और वहाँ एंटर करने के बाद यू गेट टू नो कि वहाँ पेशेंट ही नहीं है इतने, तो देन आपका तो वेस्ट ही हो गया, आप क्यों वहाँ गए, आपको तो प्रैक्टिस ही पेशेंट पे करनी है। सो आई विल एडवाइस यू टू ऑप्ट दैट कॉलेज जिसका इतना नेम नहीं है, इतना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन वहाँ की OPD गुड रनिंग है। तो ये रैंकिंग बेस पे न मत जाइए कि नॉर्थ का सबसे नंबर 1 कॉलेज है तो हम उधर जाएंगे। पहले यू शुड एनालाइज, यू शुड गो टॉक टू द स्टूडेंट, टॉक टू द स्टाफ ओवर देयर, टॉक टू द स्टूडेंट आउटसाइड द कॉलेज, कि जब उनका क्लास ख़त्म हो जाए उसके बाद उनसे अकेले में बात करिए, व्हाट आर द प्रॉस एंड कॉन्स, बिकॉज देयर आर सर्टेन स्टूडेंट हु आर जस्ट टेरिफाइड अबाउट दैट इफ दे विल टेल द ट्रूथ अबाउट द कॉलेज, द स्टाफ माइट कम टू नो एंड दे विल गेट द बैड ग्रेड। सो जस्ट आस्क देम आउटसाइड द कॉलेज दैट you should be admitted there or not. These all criteria you have to keep in mind before taking any private or government college while pursuing these Bachelor of Dental Surgery programs. So this was all about it. If you like the video, please click the like button and please share it so that maximum number of people can view it. You can also put your views and comments in the comment section. I will just answer them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the red color subscribe button and please click the bell icon so that you do not miss out any important content of my video. I'm signing it off. Take care. Bye bye.